Are you planning to register in Philippine Statistics Authority National ID? Watch this video for you to know how to register in PSA National ID online. Open your Google Chrome browser. Type into your Google Chrome address bar register.philsys.gov.ph. Wait until the website to fully load it. Read the terms and condition. After reading the terms and condition, click the Proceed button. Input your personal mobile number or email address in the box. After putting your mobile number or email in the box, click the box "I am not a robot" and answer the CAPTCHA. And then click the Send OTP button. Check your mobile phone or email for the OTP code. This is an example of OTP code received in mobile phone. After getting the code, go back to the Philippine Statistics Authority official website and input the OTP code. After inputting the code, click the Verify button. Read the privacy notice and click the I agree button. Input your personal data in the boxes. Please provide only true information about yourself. Make sure that all information in the boxes are errors-free and legit, since PSA are very particular on the details. After filling up all the necessary information, click the Next button. Check the box if you already reviewed your details and click Save and Quit button. Click the No Finish button. You will receive a text message or email once you have successfully registered online. For more upcoming tutorial videos, like and subscribe Pinoy Tutorial TV now.